Good morning, you guys. I just made myself a coffee. Isn't this mug so adorable? I got it in PR from, what brand was it? From Origins. I got it from Origins. So I'm about to make some breakfast. I got up a few hours ago. It's about 11 right now. I got up around like 9. So I'm about to eat right now. I'm never hungry when I first wake up, so I don't purposely try to intermittent fast, but I just like naturally do it. So I always take this in the morning. I take 2 of these little gummies, and honestly, I don't know if these make a difference, but they just taste really good. It's like a little treat every morning. Everyone and their mama is like, drink apple cider vinegar, but let's be real, it tastes disgusting. So I found these pills that are pure apple cider vinegar. So you get all of the benefits in a capsule form, so you don't have to drink it and you don't have to taste it. I'm just craving like a classic breakfast today, like eggs and bacon.
But before I eat, we have to take Cozy Boy out. We have to take Cozy Boy out.
Whenever I try to run with him, he throws himself in front of me. I'm like, I'm gonna like squish you. Every morning, me and Cozy sprint up and down the hallway like 4 times. That's our morning routine. Come on, come on. See what I mean? He literally throws himself right into my direction.
What? What are you doing? What's that? Come on. Come here. Let's show them your tricks. Ready? Sit. What are you eating?
This wasn't Cozy's mouth. You're too much today. Give me that. Okay, I give up. Why is there wet footprints? Oh my God. Where did they even get the water from? I put it up here. Are you okay? Just finished making my breakfast. It's just 2 eggs and then 2 slices of turkey bacon. But look guys, there's like a coffee droplet on my cup that literally looks like a tear.
I love you so much. I'm so thankful for you, Cozy. You make me so happy. And you make Nala so happy. You make Mel so happy. And you make Yasmin so happy. You make all of us happy.
Guys, I'm literally laying down on the kitchen floor. Ah! Ow! So I just finished up my makeup. I just kept it super neutral. Wow. Ooh, this is a good lash day today, you guys. I'm about to do my hair. I was planning on leaving it down today, but I'm about to cook some lunch, so I want my hair like out of my face while I'm cooking, so I'm just gonna throw it up in a ponytail for now. I got a package from HelloFresh the other day. I already cooked 2 of the 3 meals that came in the box. We only have 1 left. Mel and I have been so excited to make this. Like the noodles have just been sitting in the fridge for like a few days and we're like, when are we gonna make this dish? So he's at work right now, so he's gonna be coming over here, and I have enough to cook for like the whole fam, so I'm gonna make some for Yasmin too, and we can have like a little family, I was gonna say dinner, but it's early in the day, a little family lunch. So yeah, let's get to cooking. So here is what I'm gonna be making for lunch today. I'm so excited. How good does that look, guys? My mouth is just watering just from the picture, so I'm ready to cook this up. So all of your ingredients come pre-measured out for you in these handy dandy little meal kits, and they're all labeled so you know which ingredients go with which meal. This is really something I love about HelloFresh, is that I get to save so much time. I don't have to worry about going to the grocery store, making sure I get every single ingredient. Everything I need just comes straight to my door, so it's a great time saver. Here is all of the ingredients that came in this bag. We got soy sauce, coriander, what is this? No, that's coriander. This cornstarch, cashews. Ooh, coconut crunch cashews. I kind of just want to snack on those by themselves. We have marmalade, vinegar, carrots, cabbage, scallions, garlic, and ginger. And they did include some chilies, but I think I'm gonna not use this. And what I love about HelloFresh is how easy they make it for you. Like, it just gives me so much confidence because it literally has all your instructions step by step for you with pictures, so you really can't screw this up. I just realized this is my first vegetarian meal I'm making with HelloFresh. I always cook things with chicken, so I wanted to do something vegetarian for my non-meat eaters out there. And I like collect these cards. I don't throw them away. Let me show you guys. This heavy stack of papers is all HelloFresh recipes. So I've collected them over time that I've been using HelloFresh, and that's why it's so amazing to keep these recipe cards, because if you like a recipe, you can keep it and remake it like forever. So I kind of have like my own little cookbook at this point. So first things first, we have to bring a medium pot of water to boil. So we need to wash and dry all the produce. So here's our produce. We have the ginger, the carrots, the green onions. We also have the garlic, which I'll do last. The water is ready to boil, so I'm just gonna pour the noodles in there. And it says to just cook them for 2 minutes. So I have to definitely like keep an eye on that. So I just finished chopping up all the produce. So we have the carrots and then the ginger, green onion. So I separate the green onion from the white onion. So I have that chopped up too. This is garlic that I thinly sliced, and then coriander. So the next step is to whisk together the sauce. So I'm gonna move this back here and we're gonna work on the sauce. Okay, so it says to whisk together the soy sauce packet. So there's 4 of those. Next, I'm grabbing these cute little jams. What flavor is this? This is orange marmalade. So grabbing my fork. Next, I'm grabbing the vinegar. I can open it. Cornstarch. And then 1/4 of a cup of water. And then we're going to whisk that all together. So here is our finished sauce. It smells so good, and I did a little taste test, and it's like the perfect amount of saltiness and sweetness. And now we just need to cook everything up. So I have this big pan on high heat, and we're just gonna add a drizzle of oil. So first thing we're gonna add to the pan is everything on this plate, including the ginger. I should have put that on here with this. But we're gonna cook all this together for about 30 seconds. And then we're gonna add in the cabbage and the carrots and cook that for like a few minutes. There we go. Oh my gosh, if only you guys could smell this. Like the garlic and the ginger. Put in the cabbage. I just poured our noodles in there, and I'm just giving everything a good mix before we drizzle the sauce. Wow, that sounds so good. Wow, guys, I just took a bite because I just couldn't wait to finish the plate. And it is so yummy. It tastes like you got it from a restaurant. It is so good. So to top it off, I'm gonna take the coconut crunch cashews. I've also been snacking on these, but just gonna put a little bit on top. And then to add some green, we're gonna be taking the green onion. Oh my gosh, hold on. Wow, that was a loud crunch. I'm sorry. In Mel's words, these are about to go so crazy. Yo, those noodles were so good. Like, that had to be my favorite recipe I've made from HelloFresh so far. We barely have any leftovers. We probably have like 1 serving left as leftovers because each one of us, me, Yasmin, and Mel, we each ate 2 servings. So yeah, we put it away. So it was really good. Oh my goodness, you guys, my heart just dropped. My closet door just opened. Like, and all I could see was right here. So literally my closet door just opened like this. It's because Nala just walked out of my closet. So I look down and see Nala like walking. I'm like, thank God, because I thought This house was haunted for a second. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So if you guys want to try out HelloFresh, go to HelloFresh.com and enter Nazanin 60. So just to clarify, you get a total of $60 off, and that's $20 off your first 3 boxes. So just go to HelloFresh.com and enter Nazanin 60 to get that offer. I don't think I mentioned this, but they have 3 different meal plan options. They have the classic, the veggie, and the family plan. So I get the classic plan, so I get meat, fish, and like this meal was vegetarian. Like you just get abundance of like different food groups. And now I think Mel and I are gonna go to the mall. It's Sunday, so it's like a super chill day today. So I'm gonna go to the mall. There's this bag I've really been wanting. I really want to treat myself today. So you know, it's Sunday, YOLO. I think we're just about to do that. I don't know if Yasmin's gonna come or not because she's like been feeling really sick.
My kids, they're so cute. I love you too. I love you guys. Stop biting.
You know, we matched without even trying.
I mean, I've been dressed, so you matched me.
I didn't purposely do it though. Here's my outfit. I just threw this on real quick. My top is from Pre-Workshop. I'll put it on the screen, and my jeans are Topshop. Okay, the elevator's here. I gotta go. Gotta go. What's up guys? I haven't updated the vlog in a while, but now we are at Carla and KB's place, and I just realized how loud I'm talking. There's like apartments everywhere, but we're just waiting for them to come open the door. So we're all just going to Dave & Buster's tonight. We have them in Ohio, but I just ended up never going. It's like an arcade. It's like a restaurant arcade. So this is the bag that I ended up getting. It's so cute. It's mirrored, so you can wear it around your waist, but I'm just wearing it more like a crossbody. I love this strap right here. But now we are just waiting for them to come open the door.
It's good, Kavari crew.
Guys, mom and dad left the kids at home
For a night out on this house.
Babe, you got it? Let me see.
Your car, look.
Guys, Mel just won the jackpot.
Jackpot. Oh, I got a lot of tickets.
Wow.
Let's go. This is my game. If y'all want to win tickets, play this game right here. Best game ever.
Wow, babe, you're getting so many tickets.
I win jackpot every trip. Come on, look at the tickets. To get a Frenchie pillow. It's saying right there, Frenchie pillow. Shout out to my son.
Let me get some of those.
Shout out to me, a little trophy.
Let me get some. How do we open it?
Babe, they played with this.
Why?
Open it up, it's like 20 airheads. It looked like it's filled now because I poured them all out, put it back in. But it's...
Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. After Dave & Buster's, we just went back to Carla, KB, and Lewis's place. We were there, like, we were just chilling, hanging out on the couch, like, watching TV and shit. And then we looked down at our phones, and it's 4 o'clock in the morning. We're like, damn, like time literally flew by. So we were like, we should probably go home and like get to bed. So yeah, we didn't get home until like 5 o'clock in the morning last night. So I was way too tired to end the vlog. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. And I'll see you again for my next video. Where you come from?
I'm taking the boy out.
The boy? Where's he at? He's right here. The boy. The boy, the boy, the boy. Say bye, Kavari crew.